Alright guys, so this one is going to be a Tradingview tutorial. I'll show you how to set up MT5 as well and how to open an online brokerage account. If you want to check out the brokers I use, just check the links below. I recommend these because they have really good bonuses. A bonus that I like personally is the no deposit bonus. I'll link to my video on that as well. Basically, if you sign up with a broker and you don't deposit any funds, they'll give you some funds to trade with, and once you follow the rules, you can hopefully make some money with it. So diving straight into the charts, you're gonna head over to tradingview.com, click on super charts. It'll open up this chart layout. If you look to the left, you see a drawing toolbar, and to the right, if you hit the top right hand corner, you can open a watch list. To add pairs to this, you just type them in on the top and add them in. So we'll start at the toolbar to the left. So what I'm showing you here is a drawing tool. So you just click. So what this will do is help you mark up your trend lines. That's your diagonal support and resistance. I guess if you want to use another, we can use the horizontal ray or horizontal lines. The ray is just up to a certain point, whereas the line would be the full chart. And you can go ahead and customize the thickness of the line, maybe add some text. It's pretty straightforward, simple stuff. You can draw your fibs on. There's a fib tool if you use Fibonacci retracements. If you trade patterns as well, head and shoulders, there's tools to mark up those. Now what I really like is the long and short position. So what you can do is set your take profit, stop loss, entry price. This will kind of help you see how your trades play out. So that's another good tool as well. So if you look at the top here, you can see the different time frames that you'll be able to look at. Personally for me, I just start from the daily, go over to the 4-hour, then maybe drop to the lower time frames for entry. Now if you click the symbol on top, what you can do is you can just type in any symbol or look at any market that you'd want to look at just by typing it into the search bar. So let's see, I want to look at the S&P 500. I can just click on it and it'll bring up a chart. If you looking at the top left here, you can see the symbol, the time frame, and the broker. So I'm just gonna head back over to. I'm just gonna pull up the gold chart. Now if you click here, you can see you're able to hide and show the indicators that you add, just to help have that clean layout when you're looking at it. To add an indicator, you just go to the top, click on indicators, and you can search whatever indicator you'd want. You also quote here, you can see they quote the sell and buy price based on that specific broker. You can see next to the time frame we have Owanda. That's the chart for this specific broker. A good tool as well is the replay tool. You can use this when you're back testing. All you do is hit replay, select a point that you'd wanna maybe back test from, and it'll erase all the data up until that point. If you look underneath, you can see the controls. You can speed it up, play, pause, whatever. So this is a really good tool if you want to backtest. Personally, I don't use it seeing that you can already see what price is gonna do, I find it better to backtest using a live market and maybe a demo account, but that's just me. So just exit that, just hit replay to exit that feature. If you look at the top right toolbar, you can see options to screenshot your chart, change the layout as in pull up different time frames. If you click on settings, it'll allow you to change the color of the candlesticks, the background, just the layout of your chart. Tradingview is also a kind of social platform for traders where they can publish their ideas. So if you've got a marked up chart and you kind of want to just hide everything just to look at the clean chart, all you have to do is go to the left hand toolbar, click on the eye icon at the bottom. If you double click, you can see that I have the MACD here as well. All I have to do is just double click to hide this indicator. You can also add indicators like maybe the RSI and stuff. If you double click, you can just hide it or show it, it's up to you. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just show you how to sign up with a online Forex broker. So to sign up, just check the links below if you wanna claim a no deposit bonus. That's where they give you funds to trade if you haven't made a deposit as yet. Different brokers have different rules to follow in order to turn this credit into actual money that you can withdraw. So just make sure you read those. So just click the link below, select your country of residence, and the rest should be pretty straightforward. Email, password. Now once you're logged in, if you don't already have an account, just select open real account. I've only used this broker to claim the no deposit bonus, so I've never had an actual trading account with them. For some reason during the sign up process my screen went blank, but basically what will happen is they'll tell you to choose your leverage, your password. I like to choose a leverage 300 and below. Once you do that, they'll just email you your login details, and that's what you'll be logging into MT5 with. So just head over to your app store, search Metatrader 5, you're gonna download that. So once you're in MT5, just hit settings, and at the very top you'll select that, choose your server, and just use the login details from your email. Now to add pairs, you're just gonna click on quotes and you're gonna tap the little search bar at the top, and you can kind of search what pairs you want to add, just select them. So I'll just be adding pairs that I look at. At the very top of the screen you'll see two icons on the upper left and right. If you click the icon on the upper right, you'll see details that you can add to see when you click the upper left icon. That'll show you basically the spread, the bid, the ask. Any information that you like to see, you can just edit it. Heading over to the chart tab, you can place trades on the chart, or you can just go from the watch list, select the pair and hit trade. It'll open up this screen where you can adjust the lot size, set the order type. At the top you can see market execution. If you hit that, you'll see the different order types that you can select. You can set your take profit, stop loss. There are drawing tools on Metatrader 5 as well. You just hit the shapes at the top. However, I really like Tradingview for drawing up charts, doing your analysis. I wouldn't really recommend you doing an analysis on your phone. That being said, guys, that's it for this video. You can find all the links below. Metatrader 5 is available on the App Store. Just head over to the App Store, download it. And if you guys need any help, feel free to leave a comment, message me on Instagram. We could set up a call if you're interested in learning how to trade. And yeah, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.